Okay. Let's go ahead and take off one headphone so I can actually hear my own voice instead of sounding like it's muffled. And we'll do gaming, and then we'll do coding, and switch my stream thing to that. There we go. Okay, so something I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add modes. I'm adding modes to this. So go to definition. Instead of being this, it's going to be and that. Let's see. Like so. And like so. There we go. I don't need these because I have those. I actually don't care if there is a BL or a TARP SRC there. Okay. And then we're going to go probably just down the list. Okay, this is speed. So we need to go to definition. Okay, so I'm gonna have to make a notes. Actually, wait, no. Okay. There we go. Okay. There we go. And then so we'll do one. I don't want to do speed first. Speed first would be dumb, so we won't do speed first. So let's go ahead and so there and this one is calculate damage. Calculate damage. I think most of these ones are in calculate damage. Battle calc damage. This is also battle clock damage, right? Yeah, battle clock damage. Okay, those are all battle clock damage. So we will put those as 1. So we will do this as 1. I should probably actually make those constants instead of putting a value there. So let me go ahead and grab a constant. So pick a definition. This is fine. And we will grab. Yeah, actually, we don't need it to be an int. We need it to be an int. So we'll grab this real quick. Paste that, and then we'll do debug type int enum int, and then we'll do a battle bdg. I like G better than B. And then we will do what's this one called? What's function called? Calc damage. Calc damage. There we go. And then close this. And then comma that. Comma that. Grab this guy with the comma now. Comma that. Comma that. Comma that. that. Calc damage. Okay. This is also calc damage. That's crit. Okay. So we're just gonna go up down the list, I guess. So I am recoding battle debug, so you can subcategorize it, so it can be less of a mess. So if you want to like look at something particular, you can look at that particular thing. The way it's currently coded, it's just a on-off state. Gives you guys more granularity on what you guys see for debugging. Also, so you can like disable speed from popping up every time a speed's updated and stuff like that. By default, they'll all be on. So if you just type the command in, it'll just turn them all on. So like this one right here would be Atrofix. This one right here is in CardFix. Yes, we'll do Atrofix, CardFix. And then we're going to pick this one. BDG, HETR underscore fix. Let's see. BDG underscore, and the other one will be CardFix. Atrofix. The actual order doesn't matter. And this one needs to be equals OX1. Go ahead and tab this instead, and then tab this. And tab, and did that really replace it with a space? Tab. There we go. Yeah. Okay, I guess I'm gonna use spaces because. Say 2, 4. Oh wait. Let's go ahead and put an underscore on that one real quick. Oh, there. Consistent. CardFix. Let's go ahead and grab this guy. There's a bunch of these ones, so CardFix, 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 CardFix. Honestly, this bit of code needs to be cleaned up too. The CardFix function. So a lot of these are just repeated. Like there's no need for it to be magic and then attack and then have both of them fucking calculate the same fucking things. Obviously the magic specific one should stay. It's all magic specific. But like short range attack and long range attack, those can just be added to generic, which is outside of the switch. But let's see, output. Do we have any other errors there? Still have 41 more errors that are gone. There's nothing in here basically, so I delete these periodically when I'm like reworking stuff. So sometimes they're just removed. This is where most of them will be though. Let's see. Okay. Make sure all these are in fact added. Oh, I missed one. Calculate damage. Okay. Now this is me crit. But does this actually matter? So we'll go P definition, and then we'll do VHD crit tab equals OX4 OX8. Okay. Okay. Element damage. Okay, so we'll do a new one now. So big definition. We can call this under Atrofix actually. Oops. This is elemental damage modifier. We'll just put it under Atrofix. This one is also elemental damage, yeah. So Atrofix. Split elemental damage, yep. Atrofix. This is where the issue with what's it called will be, by the way. Yeah, with what's the name of the fucking effect? The damage split. That's where that happens. Skill base damage. There's a crit damage modifier. So we'll grab crit. Bonus crit mod, bonus crit mod, bonus crit mod. Crit, 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 and then this one is also crit, right? This would probably just be skill ratio. Big definition. Skill damage. This is defense calculation. Okay, so we'll do. These are probably not needed anymore. Actually, we'll remove these ones. Or we'll change what these ones are called. Tab equals 0x16. Or wait, no, not 16. 0x 10. There we go. And this is going to be defense. This is GVG. Definition. See, GVG. Let's see, that'll be 20 for GVG. Close. Oh yeah, this is all GVG, okay. Battle Cake final attack damage modifier. Let's see, we probably want to grab big ignition. Let's see, we'll do ATK. The actual numbers don't matter currently because these will all be what I'll rearrange these later on because the order doesn't matter as long as they're bitwise. Oh, just start and end. Okay. Oh wait, no, there's more attack modifier. Okay. Post ratio with an E. And this is battlecraft weapon attack. So still calculating attack. That's the elemental damage split right there for mobs. And then damage calculate weapon attack. Output. Okay, all those are applied. This is resistance from refined resistance, which is calculated as part of attack, by the way. So, should I be BG defense or attack? I'll go defense, actually. That makes more sense. Technically, it's in the attack function, but okay, and these will be the definitions. That's the definition. This one. Oh, there you go. PC skill tree. Okay, this one's going to be P definition. This one's basically just for druid, so skill tree. Will probably be towards the end. 80. Steal rate. Yeah. Let's see. BDG underscore skill. Replace all. There we go. There's only two, but replace all. Let's see. That way, steal can be under the same code. Steal, bribe, steal, coin rate. PC skill change LA. Skill LA change to craft chance. Craft chance. Speed. Should speed be under skill? Or should it have its own category? I'll put it under skill, whatever. Yeah, so GVG can probably be last. We're looking at order. Let's see, we can do GVG last. Let's see. Card fit, crit fence. There you go. We'll leave it in the same order. And then BDG underscore all equal card specs, crit, defense, GVG, back. And skill. Sup. Well, those are currently not categorized, so there's no debug for those. But I can always subcategorize later and do it further. I'm not going to do it right this second, though. I'm just currently getting it to work with categorization. By the way, let me know if there's any issue with my audio setup and stuff. So, okay, there we go. Why is that giving me an error? Oh wait, that shouldn't be a there. That should be a comma, not a. Okay. And background music all or BDG all. So now we want to go. This one doesn't matter. I can get rid of this little note. This one doesn't matter, and then we want to go to at command. There we go. Default all. Originally, you were supposed to be able to color code and pick what color you wanted, but I got rid of that. While we're here, we can actually pick colors. Red for defending makes sense. I don't think white or yellow should be used as import incoming. Yeah, so like those are the color choices I have. It's default, which is normal color. The only thing with cyan is used a lot. I think cyan's probably the best one though. Without doing like a full-on. Wait, is that really? Oh, okay. Yeah, it literally, those are predefined. Okay, yeah. Those are client defined. There's nothing in the server files that tell you what color it is. Okay, so now we need to do... now I need to put messages for the different things. Close to that. Make that. So now I need to do... tell players the actual color coding, the definition. So these are the current things. We don't need this stuff right here. That's all not necessarily. These are self-explanatory, so I don't need to do that. We'll grab this right here. And then we'll do how do we want to do this? Let me grab battle stats. There we go. So this is how I handle that one. So we'll grab this one, back, okay. And then we want to do like so. Damage calculation. Element fix. Card fix. Crit. Also, these need to be down one. Let me 1 second. One, undo. One, 2, 4, 8. Get rid of this one. Okay, crit, defense, GVG, which you guys will probably never use, ATK, no caps, ATK, skill, and all info. There we go. And then we want to do should we default to all on, or should I make you guys type it out so you guys have to learn it? This is 255, right? Yeah, 255. Okay. I think I want to make you type it out. Yeah, do that. Forward, backwards. We'll do that. I don't know if that's technically correct. We'll find out in a minute. We will cap it. We'll get rid of this. We will move this to right here, and we will move this to right here. Get rid of that second colon, get rid of that. We can get rid of this, or we can move this up, I should say. Cut this, paste this, move this, and then we want if that, okay. So the way you're going to use this command now will be slightly different. So let me grab one of this real quick. Cuttle, debug, attacking mode, defending mode. Defending mode. I did something wrong there. Let me go ahead and undo all that. Apparently I selected like up there or something. Battle, debug, attacking mode, defending mode. And then we want to grab another message, line message, and we'll do mode options add to combine. The hell? Why is my C button not working? The fuck? I just typed calculation like 2 minutes ago. One second. No, my C button works fine. What? Oh, okay, whatever. I'm not going to question it. There we go. And let's go ahead and test this real quick. Build solution. This song is really quiet. What song is this? Oh, apparently I added a song to the playlist. Oops. Sorry about that. I just hit my mic. Yeah, 243, which is not actually going to be added to the game. I need to delete that from my thing. Some of the new maps I was working, or I got, came with sounds, but they're like, or background music, but they're not. There's no point in having them considering those maps have existing sounds. So like, I will also be showing after I do this. I'm gonna go back to working on the Gloom Under Night fight. I want to make an actual like boss fight. I have a map for Gloom, Ifrit, and GTB. So I'm gonna start with the Gloom. Go ahead and start client up, start server up. Let's go ahead and do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm not showing RO apparently. Show RO. Also testing out. The reason why I'm doing the battle debug, by the way, is because of the it's gonna have its own arena with my current design. Yeah, warp 1 at Gloom. This one right here. He's disabled, so he won't move or attack or anything, and neither will his summons. But glow. So if I type glow, so they'll do the heart right there, and then it's gonna pop up. If I walk through that, I will die because it is using it. He's casting it, and then if I do at glow, that's the pattern now. And then if I do at glow, I had a repeating pattern. Glow, and it's going to do that way, and glow, and I can also pick which one I want. So 2, 1. Oh wait, yeah, glow 2, 1. It's gonna be that one. 2 is the offset, so that's why it does like that. Those ones aren't showing yet because I haven't actually coded the fire part for that. But if I do 1, 2. That's going to go that way. If I do 1, 1, it would go. Wait. So not 1, 1, it's a 1, 0. Oh, 1, 0 is vertical. Yeah, so 1, 0 is vertical. Yeah, so I'm still like designing stuff. Yeah, it'll make the fight quite a bit harder. Particularly since these are glooms. These aren't like. I also do need to fix melting though. That's also in my to-do list before I push this one. Because melting is disgusting, as you saw. I just got one tapped. You get one tapped. You walk into that. I can also do patterns where it like appears and like. So I can add delays and stuff like that as well. But let me go back to what I was doing. Return to last save point. I think I'm actually saved here. Yeah, I am. Yeah, heal. And I can do all kinds of patterns. Yeah, I know. That's because of melting bug. Melting is ridiculously strong right now. Because it ignores everything. It just does damage. It's like, oh, you want a resistance? Here, damage. That's it. And it's because the way I coded it. I could have coded it better, but oh, what was I doing? Oh yeah, checking at battle debug. Okay, so it tells me the numbers correctly now. So if I do 1270, attacking is enabled and defending is disabled. But if I do that again, it tells me that. And if I do 0127, okay, so you can do defending or attacking now, or you can do 255, 255, and you get both. Okay, that's working as intended. So if I go 0 at speed 0, why is it not showing my skill info? My skill DB? Is my check potentially wrong? Okay, that's fine, that's fine. So I want to do battle debug. I don't care about defending. Skill. Okay, so skill is now showing up, which is me. And then I want to go to definition, find all references. Speed, skill elemental change, coin rate, steal rate, bribe rate, steal rate. Yeah, so this is the first, this is going to be first one only, not second one. So I should actually see, actually no, I don't see it unless I do that. I still don't see it, so. Okay. Now let's go ahead and close this. We're gonna have to debug it again, so hide a row. So go to definition. Okay, SD, state, and mode. So it's checking for the mode, which is the int, which in that place was skill. So we'll go ahead and do show debug. Let's see. SD equal %d, and then we'll do a equals %d and mode equals %d, and then in here we'll do, actually in, and then we will do buff the Type 1 class headgear. Which Type 1 class headgear are you talking about? BL.id. Mode. Build solution. Yeah, what do you mean by buff them though? Sorry. Depends on what you mean. Depends on what the class needs. Also, those will affect Star Gladiator, which will be getting an update. Though it's not priority right now. Right now, I'm working on miscellaneous stuff before I hop back over to Rogue. Okay, let's go ahead and The only thing I can think of would be find all references. If like it's failing here because A and D, yeah, that's A and D. I should probably have it like output the modes you're currently using. Here. Let's see, let me go ahead and check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Apps are still not available. Perfect Dodge should already be adjusted to the new formula, because the way Perfect Dodge works. Who the fuck is calling me? Scam likely, go away. Let's go ahead and show. Did it crash? Oh, my server's crashing. Shit. Oh, it's all Windows, I guess. Let's see, final references. I'm pretty sure I know why it's crashing, because it's crashing on original calculation for mobs, which means I do need to do an if SD here, at least. Save, build solution. And then let's go ahead and start server up. Client's already started up still. Doesn't Lion Attack also have like quite a? They don't. They should not occupy 2 slots. No. If I recall correctly, for its location, because it's a middle headgear, right? It should have a decent attack, a decent offensive stat and defensive stat for this slot. I think it's like 4 defense, right? Yeah, the stun pinch is also good, big. Don't forget stun chances, plus 2 dex, yeah. And how much defense does it have? I know I lowered it, but I don't remember. Or was that one of the ones I lowered? It might have been. So my mode is 128 right now. Okay, why am I capping at 128? My mode is 0. It's checking for 120 at battle debug 128. Uh, 128. Okay, both of them are 0. So A is returning 0 regardless. Cap value. Wait, they're both disabled. 0, 0? Okay. want to get rid of the capping part? Does this not return what I think it does? Let's see, I'm pretty sure this is correct, right? Yeah, auto loot item. Let's can grab each of the things. There's gonna be 3 things, 2 things, a job change, job upper. Yeah, that should be correct. Yeah, it should be like this right here. And then down here, it will switch job, PC job will change. Yeah, okay. Let's see. Yeah, it's exactly the same, okay. Let me go ahead and close this again. Okay, we need to grab... Oh, let's get rid of the capping part. We'll no longer cap it. So you type a stupid number, that's on you, I don't care. Okay, and then... Yeah, it's be attack, defend, attack, defend. Attack, defend, and then we go to here. It's going to be attack. That's where it calls it. Technically it's not attack, defend, but... Yeah, 5 defense is solid. It's like for a mid slot too. Yeah, it's really solid. Oh, that's why it's fucking capping it. Actually, can I actually do that dynamically or no? I think that's why it's failing. Can I cap it like that or no? Does that fail? Actually, we don't. Fuck it. Get rid of this shit. Build solution. Get rid of the caps. I need to sneeze. Excuse me. Yeah, I think Mystical Lion is probably in a really good spot. Also, there is a status effect change. Thank you. Salut. Bless you. Gesundheit. Fuck, how do you say it in Japanese? Brain. Oh, fuck. Oh my god, I know this. Okay, I need to look it up. It's gonna bother me now. Oh, there's technically, that's right. They don't actually have like a completely word, but actual word, but that's right. They usually ignore you when you sneeze because you might be ashamed. Okay, let's see. I need to start server back up, start client back up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, so what's happening is was happening is basically it was ignoring bits after the 5th. So 1, 2, 4, 8, 10, or 16. So anything above 16 was being ignored. I need to sneeze again. Yeah. Whew. Goosebumps. Okay. Let's go ahead and start the server back up. Show RO. So I should at battle debug. Oh, 128.0. I should now see it enabled. There we go. Okay, I'm getting speed. That's good. And if I cast this, I should see all the things pop up. I need to separate speed. Okay. So I've also nerfed reflect, so let's go ahead and separate speed out from skill, just because that. I don't want that fucking mess there. Close, close, and then we want to go to definition. We'll do BDG underscore speed. What? BDG underscore speed equal OX 100. Let's add another O to all these. God damn it. Oh. Comma that. And then we want to grab this and put this here. There we go. Save. Okay, and then I could also reduce this from an int to a fucking int 16 or something. Or yeah, 16. There we go. It won't actually matter on how it calculates. Okay, and then I need to find all references to skill, find all references to skill, a bunch of them are switched to speed. Or a few of them are switched to speed. I think it's just these two, right, for now? Yeah, just those two for now. Okay, yeah. And then find all references to this guy, find all references, which is going to lead me to the actual skill right here. And then we want to grab this one, paste this one here, speed, 256, 511. Oh, look, bot / ban. There we go. Did it not? Oh, it did delete it. It's just not deleting on my thing. / ban. Yeah, it's already banned. Okay. Yeah, it just didn't delete on my stream, but it deleted on the Twitch. Okay. Save. Build solution. Okay, and then once this is built, we can then go ahead and sorry about that. Just rub my coffee cup against my mic. Oh, I get a message on Discord. And once this is cleaned up, I will leave it as is and just push it, push these changes, and then I can continue cleaning it up later. I want to work on the who's gonna call it Words are hard. Go back to working on the Gloom fight. So Gloom will probably be made quite a bit harder. I'm probably gonna disable Gloom, the normal method of fighting Gloom, and make it to this instant style. Its stats are probably gonna go up. It will probably get shared loot, so it'll become like the what's the Pouring King? Yeah, so it's gonna be like Pouring King. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But we got heal. Yeah, battle debug 1, 2, 8. Yeah, battle debug 1, 2, 8. Not 9. 1, 2, 8. There we go. And then if I do this, I should see, yep, there we go. All my skills are popping up, as they should. Okay. I wish I could get rid of that line. I'm not sure what's causing that in Battle Debug. Like, genuinely, I'm not sure what's causing it. Because there's no... I go to hide references real quick. Hide RO. Actually, we can close RO. And then we'll go back to. It's just the way it calls is called right here as just a message, and there's no back. Oh, there is a backslash n. No, that's a backslash n on that, but there's no backslash n on the actual calls themselves. Which would be should be this one right here. Final references. Yeah, there's no backslash n right there. It's just %d right there. I wonder how would I do that. Whatever, I'm not worried about that right now. That's not important. Okay. And now I can definitely add more, and then we want to go back to, let's grab the skill one. I need PTG skill right here. Let me get rid of, go to definition. Let's get rid of this debug right here. So that code is now cleaned up. Save. There's no returns. So this is just a void. Message. This is RGB to BR, whatever it's called. Big definition. Okay. In bool. That does a bit shift on the color. So I can actually define the color using that instead of a table. Possibly. I can always change that later. Maybe add a new state for players so they can define the color. Anyways, let's go ahead and work on Gloom. Let's work on Gloom. So we can minimize it. Actually, we can probably just get rid of that. Open up that. Make sure I don't have anything I don't want open. I don't think I do. Settings in PC, Ultra in PC. Still out, skill DB. Rank signature. Okay. So let's go ahead and play with this a little bit more. I'm still using Glow instead of a script command, but let's go ahead and use start server, start client, minimize these guys. Let's go ahead and hide client for a minute. Yeah, hide client. Client's still hidden. Good. Okay. I also should probably add like a generic, like here's a big area one. Was it this one right here? Yeah. Like that, save, and then let's go ahead and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, warp 1 at gloom. 1 not exclamation at gloom. 1 at gloom. Okay. Just gonna turn on this real quick. Okay, so we want to try at glow 2, 1. That should be. Oh, I didn't reload the script. Yeah, reload script. And that should now look proper. Yeah, I was just swapping it. So A, B. So this is 0, this is 1, and then it just alternates like that. And if we go to 0 instead of 1, it should be the other way. Yep. Okay. Now we should probably grab. The only thing with let me see what other ground effects I can play with. So we have, where is unit? Wait, skill. It's skill, not ground effect. Yeah. So let's grab import pre-re. No, it's pre-re. Skill DB UNT layout. Firewall. Oh wait, that's skill tree. Shit. No wonder I was not finding any information I wanted. Skill D firewall. Unit. That's what I'm looking for. Unit. Safety wall, firewall. Sure, we can try firewall. Let me grab some skill IDs. Actually, we go ahead and hide RO. We don't need that showing while I'm doing this part. So we can. We're gonna grab skills that I can use. I don't need this open. Safety wall, firewall. Dummy skill, which is going to be thunderstorm. Yeah, thunderstorm. Let's go ahead and try those 3 real quick. So we will swap out. Go save AM destruction, and we'll grab. Oh shit! I already got rid of the poison one. Whoops. Okay. Let's go ahead and grab thunderstorm real quick. Those ones. Save. Had to reload. Script, and that's going to be glow 1. So we do hide show RO real quick, and then we do at glow 1, and then after 3 seconds or 4 seconds, it should do the. It didn't do the ground animation, so it only did the damage for thunderstorm. It's not necessarily a bad thing, mind you. But I should preferably play the animation as well. I can apply that later if I really want. And if I do grab firewall real quick on these ones instead. Save. Have to reload script. At glow 1. Oh, that should be a firewall this time after 4 seconds. There we go. Holy shit, that is painful in the eyes. That is really bright. Let's go and do that again. Oh, this time it's vertical. Oh wait, am I just... Oh wait, is it level 1? Yeah, it's firewall level 1. 10. Or is it just not working? At reload script. At reload script. At glow 1. No, it's just... Fuck you, it does no damage, okay. Okay. Safety wall. Because why not? Actually, this is that one real quick, save. Okay, at reload script. At glow 3. So this should now be a safety wall. There we go. Look, pink heart. Unit. Phanuma. Warp portal. We will not do warp portal. That'll be kind of dumb. Sanctuary might be interesting. Save. Got reload script. At glow 1. This should be sanctuary now. At heal. Yep. At heal minus 10,000. Glow 1. Heal minus 10,000. Oh, I made it again. Nice. Yeah, okay, it does heal me too, so let's go. That's good to know. We can drop sanctuaries wherever we want now. I think that was a save one. Save that one. And then we want Magnus. Ooh. Magnus doesn't work on players though, does it? Or is it only when players cast Magnus doesn't work on players? Okay. Let's reload script. Let's reload script. Got glow. 3. These should be fire pillars now. Yep. Slightly terrifying. Yeah, obviously this is level 1, so that's going to do way less damage than what he currently cast. And then let's see, what else can we grab? Fire pillar. What skill is this? Meteor storm. I wonder, can this one actually work, or is it not? Is it not going to play the animation as well? Okay. Let's go ahead and drop it in the heart shape as well. Save. Have to reload script. At glow 3. Or is it just going to do the meteor effect, or is it going to do the damage? Oh, just a ground effect. But that's not doing damage, is it? At all stats minus 999. At heal. At glow 3. Why are some of these not doing damage? Oh no. Oh, okay, it does do damage. It was just doing so little damage I couldn't fucking. Oh, and it also did the meteor. That is cool. So I can literally program where I want the meteors to land. Let's try this one at a more interesting pattern. Let's see. Glow 4. Okay, I don't want glow 4. Let me grab the 2x2 one. Let's grab this one real quick. I have that one saved. 5. 2x2, and then we want to do grab this guy, place him right there. We'll do level 11 because why not? And then we will do and then we will do a sleep 100 save. So at reload script at glow 5. Oh, that is terrifying. Look at that. It just like moves towards you. Wait, I need to stand. Oh yeah, it has a wide AoE, so you can't even avoid it. Okay. Yeah, it's just gonna completely decimate you. This one will probably be better with a smaller, like more sporadic. So we want a 4x4, I'm thinking. Magic Bullet is not infinite duration. I didn't make it infinite duration, did I? I said that last stream. It was not made infinite duration. You still have to turn it on again. Or was that a different skill I did last stream? Let's see, Magic Bullet. Vital references. Also ends if you do certain things too. When you take off your weapon, it disables it. Let me check. Oh no, it is infinite duration. Lasts 1 second. No, it's infinite duration. There's a infinite duration. See, find the references real quick. Is it not being removed by something? So there's that one. This is the increased SP cost. This is the increased SP cost. Nothing there. This is biological damage. Magic bullet weapon. Status and SC count. Cost in your SP. I don't see how it's ending. I believe you, but I'm not seeing where, unless I'm missing something. Let me go ahead and grab, what's an infinite one? We need, references. No, those aren't infinite. I need, yeah, lifeline buff is not infinite, but lifeline is. Find references, that one. Okay, so we'll go, that's the definition of it. This is when it's calling the lifeline aura. This is the status change in call. Maybe I need it here. So this is gonna be case sc underscore magic bullet break, and then we want to do a no, this is the where it's doing the damage. So not there. Is it this one? Yeah, which is that right there. That right there. So I think that's what we need. And then find our references real quick. Oh, sorry, I'm not showing what I'm doing. So I store it on, I just stored as 1000 as a tick. So it wouldn't be this, it would just be 1000. Which is a terrible way of doing that, so let's go ahead and let's see, sc underscore lifeline underscore buff. Case sc underscore, what's the name of the fucking skill? Magic bullet. Back. Wait, no, don't back. We want to do. This is going to be type. There we go. Okay, build solution. That should do it. There you go. That should fix the ending automatically. Okay, let's go back to +++. Minimize that. We'll open up this. So let's go ahead and get rid of this one. So this should actually be here, like this. This should be right here. We should do a sleep 4000 right here for the animation, and we should replace this with this. And then we want to do let's see, if dot at x is divisible by 2, and we're going to do a inverse on that. So if not divisible by 2, sleep 100, save. Okay. Character select, turn to point. Okay. Let's go ahead and reload script at glow 5. I think it's not quite right. Just dead. Yeah, that's not quite right. There's only, wait, is there a 2 wide gap there? Yeah, there is a 2 wide gap there, just the way it hangs over. Okay, so we want to do, we can get rid of this bottom part right here. Quick. Save. reload script. Return to last save point, yes. Reload script and glow 5. Yeah, okay, it's doing it the wrong one, so it does need to be if divided by 2. Save. So we'll do that again at reload script and at glow 5. There. Okay, that's what I wanted. We can get rid of that. We can get rid of that. And now we want to add a how many actually? I'm gonna write a new one based off this one real quick. This one's fine. That will just sweep across the map that way. Every 0.1 second. And save. And we want to do a glow 6. Case 6. Go ahead and hide our row again. Case 6. Okay, we're going to do a. Okay, how many do we want to do? Let's do. How big is this map? This is 44 to 75 by 44 to 75. 75 minus 44 is 31 by 31 times 31. That's 961 cells. Let's assume we want to do a 10% ratio, so it'll be 90. We'll say 90. Or yeah, we'll do 1. So 4 dot at I equals 0. Dot at I is less than 100. Dot at I plus plus. Oops, there's no plus plus, and then we want to do a so we're going to want to save it into an array. So we'll do, so actually we want to do dot at x dot at I equals rand 44 comma 75, and do the same thing for y. And then what we're going to do is we're going to do then we want to grab this guy right here. Grab that, and then grab that, and we will do a sleep 100 on each of those. Okay, and then close that, and then minimize that, and do S. Cancel, save. Okay, and that reload script. Reload script at battle ignore at glow 6. Oh, sorry, you can't see this. So they're gonna like appear and disappear like that. Okay, that looks good. Okay, so I'm increasing the time too long here. So I want that still, but then I need to subtract this from this, or add, which would be 100. Which is 100 uses, so that's 14 seconds. So up that to 14 seconds, and then everything should match up properly now. Save. Sorry, I hit my mic again. I'm gonna reload script. Bum, bum, bum. And then at glow 6. This one gives you the most warning of any of the skills. Any of the effects so far, but how's that look? And then eventually these will do the same order, but meteors as they disappear. Yeah, it looks cool. Okay, let's go next. I'm probably going to reduce the timer on this to 10,000. To 10 seconds, remove this sleep modifier, save. Oh, that way it's faster. I reload script. Glow 6. I'm still making patterns and stuff like that. So this one will be much faster. It's going to be 10 seconds. I can also reduce the sleep between these as they appear. So yeah, you'll have warning now. Okay. I probably need to disable lamp protector in this map. For obvious reasons. Add glow 5 real quick. And this one's a positive one, but oh wait. Oh, there we go. Okay. Neat. Okay, and then that really hides those though. There's also no break right there. There needs to be a break. Paste that break right there. Safe. So that's why it fell through to the meteor. Okay. Now we want to do. Okay, I need to use the restroom, so I will be right back. BRB. I'm back, by the way. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna. Put my headphones on. Move my desk back forward. I like the song. Bum, bum, dun. Okay. Now let's go ahead and go to import. Not import. We want pre-re gloom, not glued, gloom. Okay, so these are his skills. We are going to delete them from this list. Actually, we should probably comment them out. We will go to raw. There we go, and then we will go ahead and comment all these guys out. Replace all. There we go. All 19 skills. Save. And then we want to go to so fire, ghost, fire pillar. Let's see. So he will keep. Call slaves. We're gonna get rid of power up. We'll get rid of teleport. Okay, so the other skills, those other skills are removed. We'll leave call slaves. Technically, I can do summon slaves as one of these. Okay, so we want to do. We want to write a new function for trying to organize your storage. Yeah, that's gonna take a bit. You should only have to do it one. This should be the last time you need to do it, but oh yeah, it's actually like 2 hours. Well, depending on how many items you have unorganized already. But. Let me check renewal mob skill DB real quick. See if there are any other skills that he has in renewal. No, he's exactly the same in renewal. Okay. Okay. And then let's grab my import. And full heal and so we'll get rid of that. Get full recovery. An idle heal. I think the idle heal can stay. Okay. Now let's go ahead and go to MobDB. Okay. I can hide RO. Let's go ahead and do what's the name of this? Divine Pride. And then we'll do Gloom, Monster, Gloom Undernight. Take a look at his drop from Renewal compared to pre-renewal. Oh. Am I 1768? He's immune to skills. Baby Gloom Undernight. Okay. And then this map needs to have a on death trigger. So when you die, you get booted. Ooh, coffee. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. He has 8 drops. He can hold more, but he doesn't have any like cool new drops from Renewal. I think there's a Nightmare version of him, right? Like the 100 and Ultimate or something like that. Flower Left by Phantom. Aromatic Flower. Mysterious Combination Bundle, and Flower Left by Phantom is something special. Aromatic Flower. Are these for like Aromatic Flower. It's up by a bunch of mobs. Maybe it's just a sell item? Yeah, it's just an ETC item. I'll hold off, I won't give him that just yet. And then there is this item right here, which is create a random option item, open it. Okay. BS Making S. Mysterious Combination Bundle. Interesting. Contains oh, okay, that's what that is. It's basically crafting recipes that you need these boxes to unlock. That's an interesting way of doing it. Okay, I'm not seeing anything new to add to the monster for drops. However, we will. That's a really common fucking job EXP apparently. 1768 is like a really common EXP value. Okay. So let's go ahead and make him a lot harder. His damage values are actually fine. They're 6,000 and 9,500. He's getting rid of a power-up though. What level power-up did he cast? He cast level 5 power-up, which is NPC power. Oh, I put 2 E's instead of power. Okay. NPC power up. It increases attack by Yeah, doubles attack power. And applies his own effect as well. Which is, I think that's the hit one, right? Here we hiccup, skill DB. Let's see, NPC power. Power up is increased hit rate, yeah. So it's 50% increased hit rate and 100% more damage. Okay, yeah, we can get rid of that. We're not going to double his damage outright. I'm thinking we can always... No. I'm going to do Y on these. Right, okay, I did that. So his HP is going to definitely increase. His XP will increases. His damage, I don't think I'm going to increase it that much. I think I'm going to leave it as it is. Also, I should probably add magic attack to him. Magic attack. Magic attack 2. Now we can set those values. Slave mob minions, right? What slave is a mob minion? Matt. I'm not sure what you're asking about. Okay, so I need to figure out his minimum magic attack and his maximum magic attack. Does it not list? Does not list. Okay. I need to calculate it then. Oh, for like mobs? Yeah, slaves are always summons. Like those are slaves. Okay, so 78. Okay. So we need to 78 divided by 7, 11. 11 times 11 plus 78, 199, so 200 magic attack minimum. And then his maximum would be clear 78 divided by 5 to the power of 2 plus 78, 321, 321. Gloom only has 321 magic attack. Are you shitting me? That can't be right, can it? So let's see. That would explain why he's doing so little damage with. Let's see. At glow 6. So instead on this one right here. That's gonna be the first one to proc. So. Yeah, I haven't taken damage, okay. Oh wait, I'm battle ignore. Ignore 115 to 140-ish? Okay. Go ahead and do save. Reload mob DB. Reload script. He's gonna attack me now because of that, and then do that again. No, the puddles are not mist damage. The puddles are magic damage. So I was immune to damage. Yeah, okay, the damage is still the same, okay. So within the same range. Okay, good. Have I thought about how people were going to use this or able to do these? This is me. This is for me to do. I'm doing this as an instance. Gloom is switching from a normal fight to an instance fight. No, you can do as many times as you want. It's gonna be a like Pouring King. Okay. Also, Gloom already had like an 8-hour respawn timer, doesn't he? Let me see. Rate my server real quick. Rate my server. Is Gloom. Yeah, Gloom has a 5-hour respawn timer. So that's the thing. Yeah, so even if I made it so you could only fight every 5 hours, it'd be fine. I think I'm gonna add some more patterns. Okay, I need to find more skills still. I wasn't done looking at units yet. Unit. Okay, safety wolf, firewall, dummy, Phenuma, sanctuary, Magnus, fire pillar waiting. This is going to be meteor storm. This is going to be Lord Vermilion. Let me grab those skills. I need to test them all still, so. And this one's gonna be Lord Vermilion, and then this one's Stormgust, right? Water Ball. Oh yeah, that's right. The Water Ball basically drops a fake unit on the ground, and checks for water and deletes water, and then replace it with its own, and that does the count. Ice Wall. Ice Wall might be interesting. Place some ice walls around people. Let's see. Stormgust. Stormgust, okay. Heaven's Drive. Ooh, this one might be a good one to test. I need to test this one. Does Heaven's Drive... Here's the bear, save. Oh yeah, you guys aren't seeing what I'm doing, sorry. I had to reload script at Glow 5. I heard an error, didn't I? Yeah, I heard an error. Oh, the fucking skills are... Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of those real quick. Save. Reload script. Glow 5. Now let's see if this works for... No. It is the damage, but it's not doing the actual animation. So Heaven's Drive does not work, good note. Quagmire. Quagmire might be an interesting one. Skid trap, landmine, ankle snare. I wouldn't do landmine. I can just use what's it called? Sandman, flasher, freeze trap, blast mine, claymore, talkie box, venom dust. I do want venom dust, I guess. I know for a fact venom dust works already. I already tested it. Yeah, venom dust is a really cool one. Yeah, it also doesn't spread. There it goes. Okay. No, shut up. Hide a row. Venom Dust, Graffiti, Demonstrations, reading the list. Grand Cross. I'm pretty sure Grand Cross is not, though giving him the skill might be good. I wonder. I'll put it in the list for now, but I'm pretty sure that it doesn't show up animation at all because it's a dummy one. Save, save. Have to reload script. Glow 5. I'm pretty sure this one. Oh. Now to heal. And that should come by with the thing. It didn't, so Glow doesn't work. Okay. Skill DB. A volcano. That might be interesting as well. Save, save. Save. And reload script. Add Glow 5. This 4,000 needs to go away. Alright, I was not working shit. Glow 5, show RO. This is Sage Volcano. Sage Volcano does not seem to do anything, even though it has its own unit. Save. So we can get rid of the warning a little bit. And then Glow 5. Interesting. Layout 3. Interval -1. I'm assuming Delude, Volcano, Land Protector won't work. Encore, all the dances. Dances are fucking the mess anyways. Weekly Dance, Humming, Don't Forget Me, Fortune Kiss, Service to You, Call Family. Grand Cross of Darkness. I don't think this one works. At reload script. At Glow 5. Oh, he does the animation though. That's neat. So the animation still plays on him. Does the same thing apply for Grand Cross? I did not notice. Grand Cross, save. Return to last save point, yes. Yeah. At heal, at Glow 5. And then did it work when he did it? Okay, so Grand Cross doesn't do it, but Grand Cross of Darkness does. Thank you for the follow. Grand Cross of Darkness does work. That's interesting. Let's see. Glow 5, and then we'll stand here. Grand Cross of Darkness. It only does if it hits me? Is that what's going on? So if I stand here, yeah, so it does it when it hits me. Okay. That's interesting. So we can do go ahead and undo or redo Grand Cross real quick. See, Grand Cross is the same way. At heal. At heal. At all stats. At heal. At heal. And at glow 5. Okay, yeah, no, it does. It does trigger if you get hit. So if anybody gets hit, he'll do the animation. That's good to know. At ring. Return to last save point. Return to last save point, yes. Okay. Okay. Skill DB. Unit. Invulnerability. This one might be an interesting one as well. Though it might kick you out of it, to be fair. Let's try with sleep 1. Okay, reload script. Reload script. At glow 1. That should be boss. Oh wow, that. Oh. That's kind of a bright fucking. Interesting. What if I'm in it already? Oh, it just knocks me back over and over again. Ooh, that could be. Oh yeah, and then you're just trapped. Don't stand on that. Okay, that could be interesting right there. Don't know if it'll be good, but it'll be interesting at least. Let's see what else we have. Skill DB. Gospel. Gospel is another interesting one. Let's do Gospel 1, 3. Save. Reload script. Walk down here at glow 3. So this would be Gospel now. Oh, that's cool. Yeah. So it's just Gospel. Gospel's a weird skill, though. Yeah, Gospel's a really weird skill. So I have no idea if it's working or not. I'll assume it is for now. Moonlit. Fog of Wall. Another interesting one. Spider web. Okay. At reload script. At glow 3. So this will be Fog of Wall right now. Wall of Fog, I mean. Which does not show up, okay. Wait, did I do PT memorize? Instead of, oh wait, goddamn, I'm looking for the word Earth. I want unit. Basilia, Gospel, Moonlit, Fog of... Try this. Oh, again, not memorize. Wall of Fog. At reload script. At glow 3. I need to do all this experimentation, unfortunately, to like see what works. Okay, that's cool. And let's grab spider web now. Save. Now to reload the script. Correct me if I'm wrong. Wall of fog, if you shoot through it, it reduces the range damage, right? You don't have to be standing in it to take the reduced damage. That's kind of evil. Don't you think that's kind of evil? Am I battle ignore? Yeah. Battle ignore. No, I was not battle ignore. Okay. So let's go ahead and try that again. What's the max level on spiderweb? Max level is 1. Okay, yeah. Let's go ahead and drop that in on 6 real quick. Reload script. Glow 6. So I stand. Oh, oh yeah, it does snare me. Oh, that is evil. If you're standing on the spot when it triggers, you just get snared. It doesn't seem to work like once it's placed. Which is interesting. So maybe I could use it as as a sweep thing, or it sweeps across, snares everybody, and then drop meteor shot on everybody. Okay. Next, okay, spiderweb, call family, warmth of the sun, yeah, we don't, gravitation, this one could be scary. Gravitation, let's drop that one on heart shape, save, reload script. And at glow 3. There should be gravitation right here. Ooh. Yeah, that's a rough one. The animation is also pretty big on that one too. No. Line protection should be disabled in this map. Yeah, you actually stand in the cells too, so. Yeah, in this entire thing, lab protector is disabled, so. Good luck with that one. I wanted to get Deluge, Volcano, and stuff to work, but apparently they don't work. Because that would be cool if I could do multicolor for LP if I do a job. Professor at J level 99, all skills, and I need gemstones, right, for these? Yellow for all? Yeah, yellow gemstone. At item, yellow gemstone 100, and then like deluge. I drop deluge, and then drop violent gale and volcano in different spots. Yeah, I already considered that. Okay, let's see. Skill DB, Gravitation, Hamond, Desperado, Ground Drift, Wind, Tatami, Crimson Fire Formation. How does that one work? I have to reload script. Glow 3. This would be Fire Formation now. Oh. Okay. That was anticlimactic. Huh. I'll play with that one. So I'm fair that one works. Raging Fire. Hidden Water Technique. Save. I have to reload script. Die. The last save point, I want to get rid of my thing. At heal, at glow 3. This should be Hidden Water Technique. Just the one spot again. Which that's the last one loaded, so. By the way, the Hidden Water Technique canceling animate walking movements commands. Dummy skill. Earthquake, ooh. This one should be scary. A Professor is not bad, that's the thing. Okay, we'll see how Earthquake works then. We have to reload script. At glow 3. At glow 3. So this one's probably gonna hurt. Yeah. Glow 3. I don't think I should not get hit here, but oh no. The earth that's a no. We will not use earthquake there. Earthquake definitely needs to be let's see. At all stats 300. Turn the last save point. At all stats 300. At heal. Channeling his inner orange thing. Glow 3. I have no idea how to. So I'm standing out here. I'm outside the mark. Yeah. Yeah, it just. How much damage is that doing? Yeah, I get hit by 4 of them instantly. So that's how many earthquakes it's casting. Yeah, it casts earth. I have more than that much HP, so. Anyways, continuing down the list. Evil Land, that might be an interesting one. Save. Yeah. Coffee. The bees are happy. Okay. At heal. At glow 3. This is Evil Land. This is the NPC version, not the player version. And it's invisible. That sucks. Okay. Venom Fog. I think Venom Fog is the evil skill I wrote. Save. And reload script. Oh, is it a reload refresh thing? And I'll try that in a second. Reload 3. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is the one I'm thinking it is. Yeah, that's that fucker. Okay, let's go back to Evil Land real quick. Yeah. Let's go ahead and raise Evil Land up to level 5. Save. And then we'll do that reload script. Go to 3 and refresh. There's Evil Land. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that is definitely a thing. Huh. Why is it such a weird shape? Because I'm making it that shape. I'm controlling the shape. But yeah. The animation is also 3x3. Some skills work, so that was level 5. Some skills just work as intended. Reminder from me, Null. Fog of War is if you stand on the other side of it, it reduces damage by per range attacks, right? It's not standing in it. No, it's standing in it. Okay. I was trying to remember if it was on the other side or standing in it. Target standing in it. Okay. Who's the worst Finuma? Okay. Save. Reload script. Yeah, I'm aware of the skill failure part. At Glow 3. This is a skill I don't recognize. Oh, that. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. What? Yeah, reverberation. That's neat. Yeah, they're essentially traps. Magnum eruption. I haven't seen that skill before, so I wouldn't use that because that looks stupid. But level 3. So this should be Magnum eruption. I don't know how this one looks at all. Ah, that's this ugly ass thing. Okay. Psychic wave. Some of these are just ignoring my size default settings. Because they have like. Yes. That one has no fucking. Probably not going to be a fan. Oh yeah, here we go. Killer Cloud. I know this one. Got to reload a script. Glow 3. Another one of the ones that only can be placed once. Okay. Okay, only placed on that one cell right there. That's not a bad thing if they're restricted to one cast, but it does mean you have to be careful about them. I can't do cool stuff with it. I already have Venom Dust as a already tested Venom Dust. Reload script. Glow 3. And this one is Lightning Walk. Yeah, Lightning Walk works. A monster. It's a monster who's casting it. Yeah. Currently I'm using XY coordinates of the map, but all that would require is use an offset based off the monster position to make it follow the monster around. Let me continue down the list. Electric Walk. Fire Walk probably works exactly the same. Save. I have to reload a script. At glow 1 0. At glow 1 1. Okay. Make snake out of it. I don't know if I like the firewalk very much. Firewalk. Psychic Wave Magnum. Oh my god. I haven't saved any of these since Venom Fog. Evil Land. Reverberation. Magnum Eruption. Psychic Wave. Why? Killer Cloud. Also, I have way more control than I've actually been showing too. Control Y. Electric Firewalk. Alright, let's try Warlock Comet real quick. Raw Sanctuary, let me go ahead and update this to be a fucking cleaner bit of code. There we go. I'll save that. Tab. That's not tab, save. Okay, Warlock Comet. Let's grab, we'll do 6 for Comet. At reload script. Also a reminder, he only has like 200 magic attack, so, or 300 magic attack. At Glow 6. So this one should be Yep. That is disgusting. Okay. There's no dodging that one. That one's just an AoE around it. Good to know. Warlock Comet is disgusting. No, that was Warlock Comet. Yeah. Earth Strain. I don't know how Earth Strain is going to react, but we can try. Let's drop Earth Strain. We'll use the same pattern for Earth Strain this time. I have to reload script. Oh wait, I didn't fucking. I copied the wrong thing. Reload script. This should be Earthstrain, not Earthstrain. AoE strip. Wow, no, it's not AoE strip. What? Can't. I reworked comment already. And Golo 6. This one's particularly nice with like smaller ones. Oh, that I like that one. For that one, I would just increase the size to 5. 1 second. Let me show you this one real quick with unit scale. We'll up the level of unit scale from 1 to 5. Save. And then we'll do reload script, and this should be the proper look now. Yeah, this is how it looks. That is terrifying. Unfortunately, you can't really tell which one's procced first, but and obviously you stand in it. Yeah, I can control the size of everything. Like I can really tweak things. Find the non-red cell. Exactly. I'm glad you understand. Okay, let's go ahead and undo that one real quick and see what skill we have next. Poison Smoke. Poison Smoke is a Guillotine Cross skill and reload skill. Ripped. Yeah, Glow. Yeah, Glow 6. Yeah, I have a bunch of like patterns that are easy to test. This one has no animation, so. He said supposedly. So I don't think he actually has faith in them. What is Eclipsia? I got to reload script. Yes, I can, Matt. Well, kinda. So I can time it so they look like they're moving, not necessarily actually moving. I don't currently have one that clears. I only have one that applies. I forget which one I'm doing right now. I think it's like, oh, tree. No, the scary one. The actual scary one is fucking fucking demonstration right now. Demonstration is terrifying. So if I grab demonstration, if I put it on, I believe it's 4. Yeah, 4. Actually, I don't even have to change anything. At Glow 4, like this one right here. Yeah, you want to die? Just walk into that. Yeah, just don't walk into that shit. The only time I have 4 install stats, so I'm probably just immune to the damage. But this thing does indeed one-shot you. At all stats. There you go. Still walking now, and I'm dead. There you go. That's the competition you have right there. I wouldn't do something like that, Matt. I know I'm experimenting with boss mechanics right now. Raw electric shocker. This is a trap, right? Yeah, it is trap. I know. Okay, I know which one this one is. Let's go ahead and grab put it on that one. Save. Yeah, to reload script. Return save point. I reload script at Golo 6 at heal. Coffee. Yeah, but this is the next fight I'm going to plan on updating. Yeah, I wouldn't use that one. That one's ugly. There's also cluster bomb, magenta trap. I think I used magenta trap for. Yeah, those are traps. I think I used magenta trap or maze trap. I think yeah, maze trap for. They're not going to do damage just because these are not the damage ones versions. So, but I'm pretty sure. I have to reload script. Out of the call the druid skill, not the ranger skill to do the damage, have it do damage. Yep, there you go. Yeah, and these aren't triggering because they're not. These are not the druid versions. These are the ranger versions. Enduro trap, firing trap, icebound trap, neutral barrier, stealth field, manhole, dimensional door, chaos spin, maelstrom, bloodlust, air rain. Let me see if air rain's even in here. I don't think it is. Yeah, severe air rainstorm there was up one. Let's see. Let's see if severe rainstorm actually calls properly. Save. To reload script at Golo 6. So this should be one of the first ones right here. I can cast any of those. Like, it's just a matter of whether they show or not, and whether they. Yeah. See, like this is. Oh. There we go. That one is slightly terrifying. Is the enrage skill? Return to last save point. What is at heal? Let me go ahead and do a quick test real quick with the same skill on the heart so I can get an actual idea how big it is. At reload load script at Golo 3. Oh, okay. So that's how big it is. It looks like that is 7 wide. Save point. Okay, let me see. Is that a? We'll do a 5. We'll do a 7. Yeah. Save. Reload script at Golo 3. I think that should be correct now. Nope, I'm still in range, just barely. Okay, it was 9. Yeah, so this is a 9x9 skill. Return to last save point. At seal. At reload script. At glow 3. Let's go ahead and step out here real quick. I should be safe now. Okay, it's actually one more. Damn. Which I don't have. A 9 is currently my max, if I remember correctly. I might have to go edit it so I can go higher. How high can it go? A 10 will kind of work, but 10 only works in the bottom, in the southwest direction. Reload script. Glow 3. Yeah, so this one only works in the southwest direction. Currently, yeah, there you go. That's terrifying, by the way. Okay. Next skill. Severe Rainstorm. Netherworld. Yeah, a lot of these are going to be really cool. Let's go ahead and get that back to 1. We will do that one. Okay, so this is Netherworld. Not sure what this one does, so. Okay, still building up, building up, building up. Oh, that's it. It's another one of those traps, isn't it, that you can auto attack? It isn't gonna do anything to me though. Okay. Well, that one's kind of lame. Netherworld. Sage Firewalk, which is different than Mob Firewalk. Earthgrave. We can close. Mob Skill DB. We can close. I still haven't updated the mob stats yet for yeah, I already have the reverberation at reload script at glow 6. I should probably just not use glow 6 because glow 6 is such a long fucking duration. So let's get rid of the sleep on this one real quick. Save. Reload. Oh, there's no fucking notification at all. Okay. Yeah, there's no notification. Yeah, that's kind of lame. I can do it again, no problem. You want a reverberation? 1 second. Save. Reload script. Glow 6. There you go. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Diamond Dust. Psychic Wave. Let me see if this Killer Cloud is better. Save. Get rid of that as well. Okay. I have to reload script. The last save point. I really need to fucking re-enable that. Reload script. Glow 6. That one just picks one, because Killer Cloud is still fucking dumb. Did I not do... I've not done the whatever was after Spirit Rainstorm, which was Home of the World. Oh, okay, that's right. Because they didn't do fucking shit. Killer Cloud, Warmer. SO Warmer. Sure, we can try Warmer. Save. I have to reload script. Ah, that one. Okay. There's another one, the ones that will not place more than a certain number of units. So. It basically only plays one. Okay. Which is the first one, by the way, not the last one. Warmer. Volcano Extreme. Pretty sure I know which one this one is, too. Reload script at glow 6. Oh, that one's cool. What? Does it fucking damage me or anything? What does that do? What does Vacuum Extreme do? Oh, is it a snare? It's probably a snare like on initiation, not on so I would need to do this again. Save. It keeps snaring while active. It definitely was not keep snaring. Oh, invalid status changed. The status effect doesn't exist. Okay. Let me go ahead and do glow 6 again. Glow 6. Yeah, it's spamming me with invalid status change. Which is -1, so it's probably one of the mini skills in renewal. Renewal skills doesn't work. Yeah, so there should be a status as well here. Let's go ahead and go to y'all can't see what I'm doing, that's fine. Skill DB. Status of vacuum. Yeah, there's no status there. Okay, save. At reload a skill DB. At reload skill DB. At glow 6. It's no longer giving me the air. It's not snaring me because the status effect still broken, but could use this system to have skills like Drum Gust and Fleet Burning. I can do that already. That's a different thing, but yes. Okay, let's go and grab this again. Fire Insignium, Water Insignium. We can grab those real quick. Save. Save. Okay. At reload script and at glow 6. That's what? Save. I'm confused. At reload. Oh, that's reload skill DB. My bad. At reload script. At 6. There we go. try to get rid of the dots again, the warning dots. That is so obnoxious. I will not be using that one ever. Water insignium, wind insignium, earth insignium, thorn trap. Sanctuary, thorn trap. Those are Ifrit spinning around in a circle. Also, let me get rid of the sleeping again. Save. I don't know. I think I hate that fucking skill. I think I actually hate this. Also, it's giving me another status change. Have I tried Hellplant? I've seen Hellplant, yes. But no, Hellplant has not been in my list yet. At glow 6. Ah. Well, that's neither. They're random sizes. I kind of like that one actually. So go ahead and save that one to use. And next. Crazy Weed Attack, Demonic Fire. Now we're at Demonic Fire, by the way. Fire, Explosive Powder. Let's go ahead and go back to 3. Save. At reload script and at 3. Yeah, this is the one you actually said it was, by the way. That's kind of cool with the heart shape. It doesn't look as bad. Yeah. Yeah, that one was technically a different skill, but it's the same animation. Explosive tear gas, acid. Oh, there's Hellplant. Yeah, man-eating plant. Fire rain. We can try fire rain. Oh, I did not want to grab the skill ID. I wanted to grab the skill name. Skill name, fire rain. Save. Reload script and glow 3. That one's cool. Yeah, I really like that one. 1 second. Let me actually play with that one real quick. We'll drop that one in on the random one. Save. 1, 5, save. I'm going to reload the script. Save. Okay. Now reload script at glow 6. See how this one looks. I'll just stand in the center so we can see it better. Yeah, that looks wicked. What's crazy is you can do stuff like Give me a second. I'm gonna do some quick coding. You can't see what I'm coding, but that's fine. If thing sleep 100. We'll try that. It's gonna be not right, but it's fine. This song is a bop. All right, reload script. Firing. Save. Okay, reload script at glow 1. So let's see if this one did it as I. Yeah, there you go. Look at that shit. I think I need to do 1-1. I want to see how, no, I need to do 1-0, sorry. I think that one did not do it the right way. Oh. Yeah, that one just did it all at once. Which is also fine. Both work. Also, I'm dead. Return to last save point. Heal. How much damage did that fucking do? Let's go and do right glow 1 real quick. So I'm gonna stand here. I don't think it will hit me. I don't know if it'll hit me outside. Okay, no, it won't. Okay, so now I need to do add glow 1-1. Okay, stand right where I am. What? How did I not get hit that time? I'm confused. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Yeah, you can do it in multiple ways too, depending on how I configure it. So this won't be all at the same time, instead of one at a time. Like that. Somehow I don't get damage there though, I'm not sure. I'll have to figure that out. Dummy skill on Kunai Explosion. Maka. Let's try this one real quick. I have no idea how this one will look on so this is a ninja skill, so let's go ahead and do at reload script at glow 6. This is the little pins, or the little things you step on for ninja. Let's see. Should be probably over here in a second. There we go. Yeah. Little cattle prods. See, that works. Yeah, there you go, Makabushi. there's a lot of them over there. I think that's a visual bug. Yeah. Whenever you lose sight of them and gain sight of them again, it bugs out. So I probably won't be able to use that one because of that. Or I won't be able to use it outside of like maybe the heart shape. I can always just make them 3x3 too. Yeah, they don't do a fuck ton of damage, so. Yeah, they have a damage delay. Okay, let's continue down the list. Zenkai water, Zenkai, different Zenkais, Magnum Explosion. I believe this one is ugly. Let's do reload script and at glow 3. Yeah. Return to the last save point. Okay. Angle snare. King's Grace. How does King's Grace look? I genuinely have no idea how King's Grace looks, so. Oh, that's interesting. Because that thing is centered around it, rather than being on it. Interesting. Okay, I wouldn't use that, but that's interesting. Also, I think that was giving me an error, right? Yeah, saying the status effect doesn't exist. Poison Mist. This is a mercenary / homunculus skill. Poison Mist. Ba-da-da. Yeah, that one. Okay. Some of these skills I need to fix them being only placing one, even though I'm telling it to place more than one. Basically, it's having a cap of how many it can place. Which the script should ignore. Yeah, I'm talking about before, but this particularly should ignore it. It normally being limited is fine, but and we're back to safety wall. Lava slide. That is another elemental skill. Reload script and glow 3, flame ring. Lava slide is a monk skill? Yeah, I think so too. Yeah, that's that one. Another one that is limited. Volcanic ash. Skid trap. Landmine. These are mercenary versions of the skills. Water barrier. Zephyr, these are the elemental skills. Power of Gaia. Let me wait. I've got Power of Gaia real quick as my test on those ones. I'm sure those are all exactly the fucking same. Reload script. Glow 3. I know these ones are mercenary. Yeah. Elemental fire mantle. Sure, we can check these out, might as well. Fire mantle. Water barrier. Oh god damn it. Fire mantle is Yale fire mantle. I'm putting the fucking unit ID, not the skill ID. Water barrier, elemental Zephyr, and Power of Gaia. Save. Let's reload a script at glow. That is glow 3. Oh no, that's glow 4, sorry. Glow 4. So now each corner should be a different effect. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Next skill is leadership, which won't actually do glory wounds. Hawkeye. Okay, and we're out of skills for the Priri skill DB. Let's go to import real quick, because I know I have some in import that are not in Priri. Where is skill DB? Sanctuary, dummy skill, or million, Grand Cross, NPC, Darkness, Grand Cross, Gravitation, Ninja, Raging Fire, Ninja, Ice Mine. Oh, we can try Ice Mine. We'll drop Ice Mine on 6. I believe Ice Mine is going to be like an explosion. And then Flame Cross. Okay. Ice Mine and Flame Cross, save. At reload script. At glow 6, at glow 3. So this one should be fire, yep. And these ones should be ice once they finish placing. Yeah, there we go. Yep. I was gonna also make it so like you could have pockets of where that isn't do that type of damage there in a second. I was thinking about doing that with fortunately the static ground effects didn't play a volcano and stuff, because then you could place a square of water and a square of fire, and those will be the damage that you're taking there, and you have to take one of the two types of damage. Like do half and half screen or something like that. Flame Cross, Hell Burning. Hell Burning. And Thorns, Venom Dust. RV Evil Land. Okay, save. So yeah, let's go at reload. At reload script, glow 3, reload 6, and glow 3. 3 should be another fire one, yeah. Like one of the 5,000 that use that same fucking animation. Blah 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 blah. Evil Land. Fucking. How slow I'm moving now. Because it slows down everybody who's not undead. This would be cool, but as a smaller. Such a history skill. Yeah, I know, right? Wizard burn, earth, lightning, and ice. Okay, let's go ahead and drop sanctuary, fire burn, switch, rend, 4, rend, 1,4, case 1. Tab break 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. Wait, did I okay, I did do RV blend. Okay, good. Skill. And then we want skill DB, lightning, and then we want ice. Save. At reload a script. At Glow 6. This would be interesting now. That's what I'm doing. There we go. That's what we wanted. These do damage, by the way. They do. I don't know why I'm not taking any damage. It's because they're level 1 or something? Yeah, it is a ton of work, yeah. Lightning Land. I'm pretty sure this is just a big AoE. Yeah, and I'm gonna have to experiment with. I'm still experimenting just with the skills. Let's reload a script. At Glow 3. This is gonna be Lightning Land. I think it should be a big ol' aura. Yeah, it's gonna be only the first one too. Lightning Tornado. Save. And reload script. I do have a plan for this one in particular. For a bunch of stuff at Glow 3. It should be Tornado, which I don't know if it's be one. Yeah, just one as well. Fuck, it's such an evil skill. Crystal Rain. I don't know how this one's actually going to interact. I'm genuinely not sure how this one interacts. These are casting level 1, by the way, for all of these. At reload script. Reload script and glow 3. Oh my god, that is terrifying. That was a lot of rain. Can you make level 5 fire bolt scrolls by using an empty scroll, right? Yeah, you can. You have to have the skill Firebolt level 5 on your character, and then you can. Yeah. Fire Bloom. Glow. This one's either going to be terrifying or not very scary. One of the two. I think it's going to be probably just that one, yeah. That's what I thought would happen. Oh, and... Homa Homa. Done. Whirling Death Time. Okay. Let's see if this is a 1 or a 3. Reload script. And glow 3. I'm pretty sure this one's actually scary. Oh, that was beautiful. No, it's not just one hit. It shot it out and then it sat there for a moment. Yeah. Yeah, it is fair. It's only one hit regardless of how many. They don't stack. Glow 3. Yeah, okay. Yeah, it has a AoE, so... there is a hit for the actual throw, and there's a hit for the thing. This should not actually hit you twice. So if I do script, if I do at heal, wait, at vit 999, at heal. If I do glow 3 real quick, I should have actually just did in there. Okay, so if I do glow 3, I should only, yeah, I only got hit once, okay. Yeah, the first hit is actually part of the skill itself. This isn't casting the skill. This is doing only the ground effect. But that's still disgusting. One second, I'm gonna try it on this one. This one might actually crash the client if I do this, but we'll try it anyways. Script. I haven't had one crash the client yet. Glow. Is it 4? Yeah, glow 4. So this one's kind of terrifying. Oh, that's wicked. 1 second. I can set it. Oh. Oh, that is so cool. Oops, I did reload script. My bad. Glow 4. Oh, audible cast? Which audible? It is the refine level of the skill. I think it, yeah, it's level learned and refine level. But it caps at whatever's higher. I have to look at the numbers. 1 second. Give me an item ID and I'll tell you. Import item custom. I think it's capped at refined, capped at level learned. I think is what it is. But let me with the item ID. Is it replace attack? So it is .@r, where .@r is maximum 1. Get skill level, get refine. Okay. Yeah, so whichever smaller, refine or skill level. Yeah, it's level 3 weapon, so you can get +8 fairly easily. +7 fairly easily, at least. And it has a minimum level of 1. So always be at least 1. Okay, close that file. Okay, next in the unit check. Unit. Fissure, Earthstrain. This should be, this is Fissure. Oh, I just crashed. No, Mecharanger does not count as mage for cards. And yeah, I just crashed my client. Control and delete. Task manager. In task. It was gonna happen eventually. Oh, you want to see one that looks really cool? PLV. At reload script at glow 4. Look at this one right here. That's probably one of my favorite. It's probably my favorite one, like visually so far. Yeah, just absolutely fucked in there. Okay, let's see. Continue down the list. This one works as Fissure works as the RNG one though, right? Let's go ahead and drop it in on 6. Then right there and right there and like so. And back tab that one and save. Now to reload script. Reload script. Oh wait, I'm dead. I'm like, why is that failing? Reload script. And glow. 6. And heal. This will be the Earthstrain or Wizard Fissure. This is the actual Fissure, so this will do. Okay, and I wasn't standing on the dot, so. Yeah, that is melee attacks. You're either long range or you're short range. There's Mice Trap. We can grab Bramble Vest. So here is Bramble Vest now. Or not Bramble Vest, Bramble Trap. Save. Reload script at glow 6. Yeah, that would mean the exact same thing, so. This one's a little bit more dangerous. Than the previous one. This one actually has the damage formula in it. Okay. So we know that one works now. And then Caliburg. That will be interesting. I'm not sure how that one will work. Caliburg. Bog, however you fucking say it. Save. Alright, reload script and at glow. Glow 6. Is that a stand next to or stand in one? I think it's a stand next to, but. Oh yeah, stand next to, okay. Neat. That one's not bad. Mystery Illusion. This is Rising Void. I'm pretty sure this one actually... will not do as we want. Save. Let's reload script. That's glow 3. Rising Void's probably just gonna be this bottom corner one again. Oh no, it does the whole thing. Okay. That's not doing any damage to me though. Huh. There's also WL Comet. Comet. B-Trap. Fire Rain. Makabishi, Zenkai Water, okay, and then we're back to things. So we've gone through all the ground skills I can use for this. I can definitely still add more because there are more ground effects, but let me grab Hydar real quick. So let's go ahead and make some, now that we have all this stuff set aside, let's go ahead and grab a script command, doc, script command, script commands, unit, use skill, area mob use skill, mob ID, skill ID. Is it just area mob use skill? Yeah, area mob use skill, okay. Cast time, skill level, cast time, okay. Let's go ahead and grab this, and then we'll grab our Sanks again, and then we're going to grab we'll do 3 real quick. App name. We'll actually type the map name for now. Eventually this will not be typed out. This will be Bloom. This is for now. This is going to be 59. Range is 20. Mob ID is, what's the name of the mob? 1768. Yeah, 1768. Skill ID. Let's get rid of. Let's not use void. Let's do. We'll do wizard meteor. There we go. Skill ID. Pretty sure these can use skill. What's it called? Constants, right? Yeah, skill name. Okay, you can if I use skill name. You can also use mob name, okay. Skill level. It does not actually matter. 1. Cast time. I'll do 4 seconds. Cancelable, no. Emotion, -1. Target type. 0, okay. There's a way you can fake this too. I need to figure out that. Do a progress, show a progress bar on an enemy. Progress bar NPC. Can you do this on a mob though? Progress. It does seem to be able to take. Because it used the BLID. So in theory, you could take. Oh, sorry. In theory, we could convert this to work on mobs. NPC data, maybe. Special effect. Devotion. I wonder if I could like force this to work on an indie. Let me try. Let me try it to see if this works. Instead of progress bar NPC. Color does not matter, and then seconds will be 4. Let's see, we'll save that. We will hide, disable that one. Save. And then we want to reload script at glow 3. There's no progress bar. I don't reload as well. At reload a script at glow 3. Okay, so he's... it's fine, you can't see. Oh. Flow 3. I'm... Save. Reload script. Save. Okay, let's go ahead and try this again. Reload script. Alright, glow 3. Yeah, it's supposed to be showing a progress bar, but it's not because the NPC is invisible. I don't want to use use skill on him because I might have to write a new function for this outright. Let me see if I can get it to work with a new function. So close all, close RO, close all client. Okay. So we want to grab this right here. And this was it for the area. Cliff phrase pays progress bar. Okay, let's see, go to definition, go to definition again. So NPC timeout bar, blah, 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 yes, yes. And then send packet length to the NDBL. Pick a definition, this sends a functions area. Okay, we'll send that packet. Okay, let me grab this real quick. Actually, yeah, let me grab all that real quick. And then we want to grab, go to, there we go, progress bar. Let's go ahead and add a new copy real quick. Progress bar monster, and then so we have the BL. We don't care about ND progress bar timeout timers. We don't care about all that stuff. Progress bar color. We don't care about that. And then it's just seconds times 1000. Okay. So this would be progress bar monster. Take a definition. This makes the player do a progress bar. Okay, reports the progress bar. Return 0 if you're not attached to an NPC. Okay. Okay, so we want to we'll grab this right here, grab that right there, and then we want to grab these two right here, and then we want to grab unit use skill. Wait, no, I want to grab, say, this right here, cancel. Grab this right here, which will be grabbing the src to BL right here, which would be the first variable. We'll grab all that right there. We'll grab this right here as well. Back, forward. Then I want to grab monster. Okay. Color will be string and number will be second. That's fine. Okay. Move the buffer up here. We need the buffer. Okay. If BL. Why is that one bugging me? BL is undefined. Oh shit. There it is. Okay, BL. Back, forward. BL is now defined, and then I need to grab. This doesn't matter. This doesn't matter. We are not SD, so that won't matter. And then we want to grab this into here, and then we want to grab BL ID, and then we want to grab color would be color, and client tag would be seconds. Would be this right here. That right there. Oh wait, it returns a string. How does that work then? Char color, constant char color, and then we want to set. It converts string to OL. Does not matter. And then we want to grab BL and BL right there. Okay. Is that not an and BL? Is that just a BL? Yeah, just BL. Okay. Now let's see if this works. So it should be. Actually, color does not matter, so we can zero that out. We can go to color. It should be time. It should literally just be GID time. Okay. Return success and save. And now we want to grab monster, and then we want to grab the int and the int. Wait, is it int? Set unit data. Int. Yeah, int. Okay. Save, and then we want to do build the solution. Okay. Oh, something failed. Why did it fail? Build progress monster undefined. Oh. Monster. Build solution. Okay, now that that's working, let's go ahead and do a progress bar monster. So progress bar monster, and this would be dot GID, and this would be 1 second. Actually, this would be 4 seconds. 4,000. I don't know if that's 4,000 seconds or 4,000 total? Let's find out. I'll put 4. I think it might only support seconds. 4,000, yeah. Save, then, oh wait, no, we don't want progress bar monster, we want progress bar, or progress bar NPC, we want progress bar monster. Progress bar monster, and then get rid of this guy. And we'll do 400 right there. I don't know if that's 400 seconds or 400 milliseconds. Oh wait, I'm not showing you guys again. That right there, which is the script command I just wrote. So turn on RO, turn on client server, turn on client. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see if intercepting this packet works. And I can get monsters a progress bar. Okay. Okay, and then at Clo 3. Okay. So he's doing the progress bar, but yeah, it looks like it's 400 seconds. So let's go ahead and refresh this. Save. At reload script. At Clo 3. So he's showing the progress bar, but it's not updating at all. Even at 4. And so let's go ahead and get okay. Reload script at Glow 3. So it shows a progress bar now, but it's not showing the skill cast. Go to definition. So here's the, sorry, let me go ahead and close this. We don't need that open anymore. We don't need this open anymore. That's not going to work. So let's go ahead and minimize this. Let's see, go to definition. So is dead, blah, 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 cast, SC, skill combos, etc., etc. Skill fail, battle check, cast condition begin. Cast time, that's one word. Cast time. Cast time is -1. Cast time equals skill value. Yes, yes, yes. Cast time. Cliff skill casting. I wonder if I can just intercept this instead. And then we want to go to script.cpp, backspace, forward space. Okay, let's go ahead and instead of grabbing this packet, we'll grab this, which would be, I'll have to do some more tweaking, but for now I'll just get a target ID. Let's see, BL. Oh wait, undo all that. Okay, there we go. And then we need BL. No, not the whole thing. Thank you, just the single BL. BL. Blocklist SRC ID, Destin ID, XY, which doesn't matter. We'll do BLX, and then BLY, always cast on yourself. Skill ID will be temporary for now. We'll do WZ underscore meteor, skill level 1, skill element 1, and cast time will be seconds times 1000, and then build solution. Let's see if that works. Cliff skill casting, big definition. Let's go ahead and pull up server files again. Oh, someone's messaged me on Discord again. I'm gonna set min getting ready to stream, considering it is today. Yes, it is. Okay. Mario Mon stream. One, two, three, four, five, six. All right, glow 3. Okay, so that does work. Oh wait, am I showing that? Yes, okay, I'm showing that. So it does actually work. That means I can put a timer on it as well, because currently that doesn't have a timer, which would be this right here. And then what we wanted to do is we want to replace the save. Glow 3. Let's reload script at glow 3. Yep. Now I can add the skill name and stuff like that as well, but that's another step. There we go. I wasn't taking damage, I had too much magic resistance. Okay. Oh, the other changes I worked on before you guys got here, by the way, were battle debug stuff. So at battle debug, battle debug now has a list of things you can use, and there's attacking mode and defending mode. So you can really you can cut it down on how much you see. So you don't just get your entire thing clogged up with a ton of messages when you don't need them. Some of them are really small, like speed and crit are both really small. In GVG you're never gonna see, but they exist. Let's see, what else do I want to... I should probably finish updating this command, but I'm tired. I think I'm just gonna raid Mun and call it a day. Let me grab his stream chat, his stream name. /raid. If you guys need anything from me, I'll be on Discord. I'm gonna go eat and stuff though. I will be back on probably Sunday, probably a little bit later on Sunday, but I'll be back on Sunday. Let's go ahead and raid Mun and say hi to him, stop by and say hi to him. I will catch you guys next time.